how to enable or disable Bitmoji and Mojitok stickers on Samsung keyboard for the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Next, tap on the settings icon, and from here we scroll down and tap on general management. Next, tap on Samsung keyboard settings, then scroll down and select third party content to use. Tap on that. From here, tap on Bitmoji, tap on the toggle button to use Bitmoji or to switch it off. Now if there is a pop-up, just tap on the continue button, and then Mojitok, you can tap on that and then tap on continue. So tap on that to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Once it is on, it will be available on your Samsung keyboard. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.